Go.
Hello, my name is Alex, and remember that we were going to show you the Angry Birds movie. So this movie is called Angry Birds Clogg Out. So here's how it works. If you look over here, here's the Angry Birds Cloud cam with the 4 original Angry Birds. And if you come with me over here, here is the beautiful sea monster who captured Big Red Bird. Hey, we're on TV. Okay, and if you look over here, this is Piggy Camp. Okay, so why it's called Angry Birds Clogg is these Angry Birds against these piggies. These piggies steal the Angry Birds' eggs and Star. So this is gonna be a very, very exciting movie. So how we get started? If you follow me over here, the Angry Birds are very startled. They have no idea where their eggs went because of that. Some bad piggies. So Blackbird and Redbird say, "What happened? Hey!" And Reaper says, "I want my babies." And then Chuck goes over here and says, "They got our eggs." And then the other Angry Birds come over and say, "Chuck, are you okay? I think he needs a nurse." Then they pick him up, which was very harmful to Whitebird. Ugh, I spent so much time on the thing. But you gotta do it. What happened? Oh, nothing. So, how about if you, Blackbird and Redbird, were going over here to the creek. And they kept walking, then suddenly Redbird sees his big brother. He says, "Ah! My big brother is captured!" Then they go over to the sea monster. "Hey, you let my brother go!" He said, "I'm not." He said, "I'm not. I don't want to be in the movie."
Go somewhere else.
Just give me my brother. Well, that's some satisfaction for the movie, huh, Redbird? Come on, guys, let's go back to the movie. What we really wanted to show you at the beginning of the movie. Hi, Mom. It's the Ad Piggy's castle. How do you like the details? Just write us an email about it so then we can know. And how do you like the Angry Birds tower case? Isn't it beautiful? So
that's the end of this chapter.
That's the end of this chapter.
Tune in again next time.
Tune in again next time.